Good morning everyone. This is day 3 and I took a shot of this beautiful tree that was behind the yurt, and I had the best night's sleep, the comfiest bed, the warmest bed. Bundanoon's just half an hour drive, so I set off to the Green Door studio. I didn't take a lot of footage because I was just feeling so full in my heart, and meeting the lovely ladies and the conversations and seeing what their work was. It was just fabulous. And of course some lovely cakes by Zoe. Catching up with Juju and meeting Kate from Kate in the Nest. And you can't finish without a photo or two of Chester. It was all over too soon and I started my road trip down to Pambula. I stopped along the way to take a photo of this tree. It was just gorgeous. In fact, I've said it before, one of my favourite things is that green leaves on a blue sky background. It's so Australian. While I was going through Kangaroo Valley, I stopped to take some footage. It's just absolutely beautiful. Stunning, the hills and the trees. And I just feel like I've been so blessed to have such a wonderful few days already of just gorgeous weather for driving. A few little side stops along the way. I managed to get some footage at Batemans Bay. And my second most favourite thing is a blue sky with boats in the harbour. I don't know why they're my favourites, they just are. But look at that, it's beautiful, just such a beautiful day. I was a bit tired by now of all the long drives, but look at this gift that I got. This beautiful, almost full moon in the middle of the trees. I made it. It was dark, it was late, and I'm just going to show you a bit of what I was doing. I had found this large bit of wet felting that I'd done, honestly, 20 years ago. It's just been sitting there, and I've been going, what do I do with this? What am I going to make with it? And of course now I thought, I'll make a pouch. I can make all sorts of things. So I cut them down into areas of interest. And I just love the squiggles of the wool, and I made a pouch. I'm thinking I just thought I might use one as a vessel actually, one of those pieces, or in a vessel, as part of a vessel. What I did at Green Door Studios was made this little sewing book. That's one of my favourite parts of the felting. And I've blanket stitched around the outside. I've got a little pocket there. Put in a number of different types of materials. That's actually an antique Suffolk puff, but it's a bit dark, you couldn't see it. So this was a fun little project to do today, and that's a little bit of that silk flower that I added to my vessel, my last vessel, and that's the book, and there you go. That was my, what a day. That just is going to keep my heart happy for quite a while. That was my bit of art retreat today, and I ended up being so tired by now. I just sat and had some stewed pears, read My Room Made of Leaves by Kate Grimble, which is quite an interesting book, a woman's story, and that was it. I'll say good night for now, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.